Hi everyone, this is Talia Donoma, and today I'm going to show and explain the history of Varna and her beautiful places. But first, I'm going to show and explain a beautiful place in a small town that is in Varna. The place is called the Magic Lake, and it is in Devnya. First, you can see the Bulgarian flag, and the flag represents my country.
After the flag, you can see the hotel and restaurants. This is called the Magic Lake because the tradition is to throw a coin in the lake to make your wishes come true.
The legend for the Magic Lake says that the king's strange sister, Martiana, went and leaded to fill the water from the lake, but she dropped a golden amphora from her hands. The young woman was sad because the water was deep and she couldn't take it out, but suddenly a miracle happened and the golden amphora shows by itself on the surface. The girl took the amphora and she ran to tell her brother about this.
Now we are moving on to Varna. In Varna you can see the most famous places such as the Sea Garden, the Dramatic Theatre, the Cathedral, the Mother of God. The Seaside Garden is the Bulgarian part city of Varna's largest, oldest and best known public park, also in the largest landscape park in the Balkans. Located along the city's coast of the Black Sea, it is an important tourist attraction and a national monument of landscape architecture.
The next one that I'm going to show and explain is the Dramatic Theatre. The Stoyan Bocvarov Dramatic Theatre is founded in 1921 as the municipal professional theatre. The theatre is in the center of the city and it is designed by Nicola Lazarov and built between 26 March 1912 and 5 June 1932.
This is the dimension of the Mother of God, is the largest and most famous Bulgarian Orthodox cathedral in the Bulgarian Black Sea, part city of Varna, and the second largest in Bulgarian after Alexander Nevsky Cathedral in Sofia. The cathedral officially opened on 30th August 1886.
The Bulgarian Black Sea coast, also known as the Bulgarian Riviera, covers the entire eastern bound of the Bulgaria, stretching from the Romanian Black Sea resorts to European Turkey. The region is an important center of tourism during the summer season, drawing millions of foreign and local tourists.
Prior to 1989, the Bulgarian Black Sea coast was internationally known as the Red Riviera. Since the fall of the Iron Curtain, however, its nickname has been changed to the Bulgarian Riviera.